for the part which you are seeing on the screen. So this particular part will cover a rectangle, even before that even a face milling, then you have a hexagon, a circular bore, an oblong slot, then you have PCD holes. So we will make program live for the complete part. So the rectangle size is 100 by 75. So first let us make a program for face milling. The application to make CNC program called TATVA CNC Program Hub, now version 1.2. First let us select face milling, facing to do the facing operation, and I'm keeping the output folder. I'm making a new folder and keeping it. Select. So here the particular folder is got selected. Work offset is say G54. Program number will keep 1001. Tool number let us keep 1. Generate. Your program is ready here. Let us see how the simulation look like. So simulation is good. You can also look at isometric view. Yeah, simulation looks good. So let us go back, save program. So 1001 is already there. We'll make it 1000. Generate, save. Now what we need to make is a rectangle external. Let us select it, rectangle. We should select it outside. We are going to cut outside, and there is a radius. We are going to keep 5 mm depth, purpose 2 mm. The length and width. Length is 100. Width is 75. Let us generate the program. Before that, let us see 10 mm cutter. We'll keep 4000 RPM. Feed rate, we can keep 1000. Generate. Simulation. Play. Stop. Isometric. Play. Simulation looks good. Just stop simulation, and then this is 1002. We'll save 1002 program. Save. So the program is now saved. Now next, hexagon. We'll select hexagon. Outside. Tool will keep same 63 mm. RPM we will reduce. Feed rate also we will reduce. Tool number, whatever tool we are going to use. Generate G code. Save program. Let's move to circular pocket. Circle. The diameter will keep say 15 mm. Depth will keep 10 mm. Depth per pass will keep 1 mm. 10 mm is the tool. Will increase the RPM. Feed rate is okay. Generate. Simulation. Play. Simulation looks good. Now let us save this program. We'll save it as 2003. Tool number 3. Generate. Save. This is also saved now. Now we'll make oblong slot. The sizes are 15 mm length and width is 12 mm. Depth is just 2 mm. 2 mm will give per pass 0.5 and here we have to give the center location of the oblong slot x 30 mm, y 30 mm. So let us define that. 30 mm, 30 mm. So both x and y 30 mm. Machining is inside and then we'll keep program number separate. Tool number, same tool we are going to use. Tool number, generate, simulation, play. Can also see in isometric. Looks good. Now save. After that we'll make drilling, center drilling and drilling. G81 and PCD. Number of holes 6. PCD 35. Let us see the image. 6 holes, 8 dia, PCD 35. Now let us generate the code. So program number, let us make a new program number. Tool number, let us give a new tool. Reduce the RPM. Speed also will reduce. Generate. Save program. Now let us make the deep hole drilling cycle for bigger hole. Same PCD. Number of holes 6. Will increase the depth to say 15 mm. Tool number will keep separate. Generate. We want to make this in line with the hexagon faces. So what we can do is we'll keep the start angle as 30 degree so that it will exactly match with the PCD face. Generate, simulation, So the first wall, you can see that now it is properly coming, matching with the hexagon. Save program. Now you have all the programs. This is done. Combine program, facing, add, after facing rectangle, add, after that hexagon, after that circle, after that oblong slot, after that cycles. Now let's say combine program is done in this folder. So we'll go to this folder. We'll go to this folder and see the combine program. So this is the combine program. You can see that the first operation is facing. Second operation is rectangle profile. Third operation is hexagon profile. Next is circular profile. Next is oblong slot. After that, drilling. So we have covered whatever is required to produce this part. Now the program is ready.